Good morning, Carson. Hi. Hi. Carson found his voice yesterday after 3 months old. Oh, what was that? Hi. Tell everybody hello. Tell everybody hello. Yeah, tell them. Say, come and see me. Come and see me, Lee. Inda, Damien, Brandon, and Caitlin. Say, Dad and Luann, come see me. Yeah, you tell them. Say, Grandma Morris and Dave were here yesterday. They saw me. Yeah. And Aunt Monica and Tyler. Say, miss you. I miss you. Say, see you soon. See you soon. Say, bye-bye. Bye-bye. What was that?